BLNE stock analysis and BLNE stock prediction. In this brief and short 1-minute video, I'll break down my exact play with Beeline Holdings, especially with this thing here. I'm looking to definitely take it up, and what's not going to happen is me randomly buying here, you know what I mean? So you can see beforehand I was the one actually quite bearish here, and I quite like it because it delivered. It was in March, later March, like end of March. Yeah, correct, 26th of March. It was like, yeah, 3 months back. And I just, you know, was going with the trend, and then we shifted whole other way around. Because it's pumping up, I'm willing to just juice it up even more, you know? So that means here's my top, here's my demand, and only if there is a double break, only then I'm looking to buy. If not, it's not good. You know what I mean? So boom. Boom. If you want to learn how making 5-10k per month trading, just click the first link in the description, get my free emails and insights, and I'll definitely continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.